wanted to do a quick update. I don't know why I did that, but I like to chitty chat, so there you are. I made bagels, so that was good. I didn't remember to film any of this because I was busy having a good time and visiting with my brother. Oh, I cut out some pants, which is good because some of my pants have holes, and so need to fix those, but also they have bleach stains, which means probably not appropriate for workwear anymore. Although right now I can get away with it because no one really sees me at work because, you know, everything's through a lens. But yeah, so I cut out some more nice, I say nice, but they're like knit pants, slacks. They're super comfy, but they look good. It's like a simplicity pattern. I don't remember which one. I really need to buy another one of that. I sort of hate simplicities too. I hate tissue patterns. I'm team Trace with that stuff because those tissue patterns fall apart. I get aggravated anymore. I mean, I'm not like been sewing a long time, but like, yeah, not a fan of that one. I made my pumpkin cheddar garlic biscuits, and I was having problems the other week when I made them getting a good rise, because I was like, I always, when I lived in the Dakotas, I froze it and then I throw it in the oven and looks great, real big rise. And I looked up basically like what the issue was. FYI, if you live in a humid environment and stuff, you still want to throw them in the fridge or the freezer for a while beforehand, but you want to like pump the oven up to like 475. I think I put my oven is way off, by the way, so I pumped it up to like 500 because I thought if I do it at 500, when I open the door and I put them in, it'll maybe drop to 475. It might even be like 465. My oven temp is super off by like 10 or 15 degrees. It's really bad here. And the cycles are really long to get it up, so it's, I don't know what's going on. This is a good oven. I feel like I've had the same brand before in other apartments, in other places, but I have noticed since living on island that there are like, and I guess part of it I've been told is because I live near the ocean, so the salt water just eats at it, and like, because there's no climate control in most places, unless obviously it's like a business or something. Although you do see a lot more window units now since people had to work from home this summer, or at least those that were, you know, still employed, lucky enough to be employed, I should say. But yeah, I was lucky enough to be considered essential, so I just went to the office. Anyways, I don't know. I placed a birthday order for myself. Mood Fabrics, I've never ordered from Mood. I felt real bougie doing it. I spent like $70. I had a coupon for free shipping. I didn't really pick up a whole ton of fabric, but they had like 20% off for like Halloween or fall or something, the whole site. And I very rarely get suckered in by Instagram ads, but like this time I totally did. The fabric was so pretty, and I have discovered my love of viscose or rayon or modal or like tencel or bamboo or whatever you want to call it. Oh, I hope my thing is not going off. Ooh, it looks like it's getting really dark. I don't know what's happening. It's really dark here anyways. So I have discovered a love for that. I mean, so I picked up, when I went to SR Harris Fabric, I picked up some silk knit jersey. I made my first Mandy Boatneck tee out of it. I made it like 2 sizes too big, probably. I know Mandy Boatneck is supposed to be like oversized, but like, I mean the neck, I had to take the neck in some and it's still way too big. I kind of love the shirt. It is so comfy and it is so cool. It like physically cooling to wear, which I had heard people talk about like silk knit and like merino knit. I have cotton. I've gotten to the point where I've looked through my tank tops, and most of my like poly tank tops, I've just tossed those because I sweat like a beast in the middle of the night when I wear those, or at least the ones that are like 100% poly. If it's a blend, generally it's okay for me, but like a lot of those, like I'm good with nylon, but polys, at least sleeping in them, boy, I'm a sweaty Betty. I don't know about anyone else, you know, and I got a fan going and stuff, but still I'm like, no thank you. So that's going on, but I was really excited to order from Mood. They had this, it's called Loretto, I'm probably saying it wrong, Estate Tropical. They had like, I think like 10 or 12 different prints and colorways. I wanted several of them, and I was really shocked at myself because I am not an animal print person. I like animals in prints on a shirt, like butterflies or cheetahs or like animals physically, depending on the pattern. But I'm not generally an animal print person, but there was a leopard print that had like hibiscus and like tropical flowers mingled, and then just the way the colors like worked together with that, I was like, I kind of want that. I kind of could make a shirt out of that, and that would, I feel like, look really beautiful. It is some of the most expensive fabric I've ever bought. I didn't buy the cheetah print one, but they had another one that was like, I think they called it teal something, and it's got like shots of teal and it's dark and stuff, and I'm like, and then it's got like a white background, and I was like, oh yeah. So I picked up 2 yards of that because I thought, I'm hoping I can get a Mimi woven blouse out of it, but we'll see. Oh, it's so pretty. And then I picked up a few different yards of like, they had several different like rayon jerseys on sale, and I'm like, yeah, like I bought some rayon jerseys from Nick of Time Textiles, and 110% good way to go if you live hot, somewhere it's hot, humid, or in the tropics. I mean, rayon was originally invented as like faux silk anyways, so it breathes, at least on me, I feel like it breathes very similarly. It feels very similarly in terms of a knit. I've never had a non-knit, so the viscose is the first one I've bought of that I know of. I mean, it is one of those things. But I'm a huge knit fan, so I buy a lot of knits because I wear a lot of knits. So anyway, so I was really excited to pick up, I don't know, 2 or 3 different kinds. They had really good deals on them where they were like $5 a yard or less. Some of those were like rayon poly blends, but like it was mostly rayon, so I was like, okay, yeah. And yeah, so I was really excited. I'm so excited about my bougie fabric purchases. And then I have another bougie fabric purchase from Minerva, which has, I have one of Lady McElroy fabric for like years, like since I saw it. I think I first saw it, I mean, I've really only been sewing. I sew on and off for a couple of years, but in the last few months, I've gotten more into it, and I have sort of made a conscious effort to not buy clothes or try not to buy clothes. I really want to just make them because I have fabric, I need to use it, and so, you know, I'm trying. We'll see if it works out. I'm not going to hold myself to it if it doesn't work out and I stink at it, but I'm trying. So there's that. But yeah, I don't even remember what I was saying, but yeah, oh, I bought the Lady McElroy fabric in the Cobra Corsage, and I don't know if it's a she, I'm sorry, they had, Minerva Crafts had like a 20% off sale on it, and the exchange rate was super good. So I bought that, and then I bought an Anaconda one in 2 colorways, and they both are just, that is the most expensive fabric I've ever purchased. But it's so pretty. It's also, I think those are cotton poplins, so they'll be nice and light, and I should be able to make cute blouses, and someone's clearly doing work outside. But yeah, so that's kind of all that's going on. It's not really much. I just kind of wanted to give you a random update and like chat and stand and like, I don't know. I'm really excited. I can show you my pants I cut out. So that is my fabric, which is cut out. So that is my fabric, which is cut out. It is Simplicity 8698. I like to interface my pockets. I'm so sorry, this is really loud. Oh, and I feel like an angry auntie lately because they have a detour that goes near my road that's from like the main highway, and I've been like wondering why I've been like hearing so many people going through, and it's been very aggravating. Please tell me I'm not alone. But yeah, I was just like, oh, I just want to like shake breakfast. Okay, anyways, that's really all that's going on. Oh, and I baked cookies today, and then I have to do dishes. If someone wants to volunteer to do dishes, I'd be happy with that. But yeah, so that's where I'm at for today, and yeah, I hope you have a wonderful evening, morning, afternoon, whatever. I'm gonna cut this vlog off, and because I don't even know that you can hear me over this dude in the background. So yeah, have a wonderful day.